Okay, hi. I got your plan open in the X9. I don't currently have any 2018 active copies. Uh, Cheap Architect changed their policy, and so I have Home Designer 2019 stuff, but no. Anyway, get the idea. The first thing I did was I opened a cross-section camera here in your post. You said this is the area that needs a gold ring roof above it. Now, you don't explain why it needs it. So I did a cross section to take a look. And I don't see the need. This roof plane that you got here would supersede the need for, you haven't connected it and so forth, but it doesn't call for the ceiling or anything, so I don't get it. And this overview, some of these core bells have become misplaced, and to make this work, all you need to do is just put a break right along in there in this roof plane. And then we'll click on this one and use the join roofs and join it to that one. There you go. We'll go back to the cross section. See, now I connected that. And if you're worried about having a flat ceiling in here, this solves it, having this roof plane out here. So I don't see a big problem with that. That's kind of a problem. Looks like the ceiling is sticking to the roof plane. Click on that and see what it's. Yeah, that's the ceiling of a room coming through there. Let's take a look at that. Oh, let's look at this other side of the roof. I did that kind of. Oh, okay. We need some additional overhang here and a rake wall. I kind of did that in the camera view, so let me see what I have it. Okay. Yeah, you just need to draw a manual attic wall up there. Oh, look at that. I just need to break this along in there and create a lower ridge over here. I just didn't notice that from over there where I was looking. Excuse me. And that will ridge with this one. Yeah, and you just draw an attic wall up there. This is a little bit of a problem. Let's take a look at that, and I'm going to close this camera here. And let's see, where is that? Let's see if there's any ceiling break lines. Ceiling break line. Yeah, they're turned on. I don't see any. Let's see, where is that? Okay, it's over here on the chimney side. Where's the chimney? There's a chimney. Well, here's the camera. Let's open that one and see what it looks like. Well, that's weird. Oh, okay, I see. That's a cross section you created. All right. That's rather specialized use of that. I want to see a generalized cross section camera. Just looking for that. Let me just click on this wall here and check out the programming on it. Looks like the wall polyline is kind of aberrated. Let me check the structure tab. Yeah, you've diddled with it. So let's put it back to the default height and see if that artifact goes away. It did. Okay. When you manually edit wall polylines, you need to do that sparingly, and only when you need to, because it'll cause little anomalies like that. That corbel, that's no big deal. It just needs to be lower a little bit. Okay, I don't see anything else wrong with this plan. Now, if you insist on, compound roof over here, we'll do a compound roof so that this is where the peak is instead of here. A compound roof might save you a few $100s in framing, like going a lower pitch and then a steeper pitch and have it come out at this point where your corbel is, or but that's just a designer decision. It's not, there's no rule of thumb that I can share with you. I don't see much wrong with this plan, and mainly you just need to make up your mind what you want to do and do it. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps in some way.